All right, we'll get you a quick video of this Avalanche. I apologize, it's nothing but rain here the last couple days. Do a quick walk around for you. It's in very nice shape for a 13-year-old truck, or a 20-year-old truck, I should say, 22-year-old. Tires are in good shape. The wheels are pretty decent. Got a little bit of corrosion on them, but not anything too bad. Bed's in nice shape. All your compartments. Interior's in really nice shape for its age. It's like shag carpet. Stuff sure has changed. Little cosmetic stuff here and there. Does have 2 keys with it. See the miles, and no lights are on. Rear 4-wheel drive modes, 4-wheel drive auto. It's got a Pioneer radio in it. So got the manual. Got your cord for auxiliary and files. All the power windows work. Got your auxiliary stuff there for power points. And coin tray, formerly known as an ashtray. There's a little compartment up there. All in all, it's in pretty nice shape for an 02. It's not beat up. Got a few little scratches here and there. Shot under the hood there. Cosmetic stuff here and there. All in all, it's in really nice shape. I'll get this uploaded and get it sent over to you.